How to glow up ASAP. No bullshit. What if I tell you that you can glow up your skin in a few days? If you want to glow up and improve yourself quickly, there are several practical steps you can take. And trust me, you need to take these steps seriously because it's never easy to undergo a routine every day without missing one process. So here are a few tips about what I know you should do to glow up ASAP. No bullshit. Use skincare products. Imagine you're strolling down the street, turning heads left and right with a skin so radiant that could blind the sun. Sounds good, right? Skincare products can do that for you. Now, let me ask you, dear friend who doesn't want skin as smooth as a baby's bottom. We all do. So what you'll do is grab your cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen in the morning. But in the night, use cleanser, moisturizer again, and retinol. You don't need sunscreen in the night. Now, how does it go? As you wake up, splash some water on your face, massage in that cleanser like you're giving your skin a spa day. You're already one step closer to that glow-up glory. Now, my dear friends, use a moisturizer like there's no tomorrow. Moisturizer is like a magical elixir that quenches your skin's thirst, leaving it plump, hydrated, and ready to conquer the world. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Not only will sunscreen protect you from the evil clutches of sunburns, but also shield you from premature aging and the dreaded sunspots. Plus, you get to feel all fancy and responsible, like a secret agent undercover in the world of skincare. There's no magic to glow up ASAP in the morning when you've got a trusty cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen by your side. No bullshit. But wait, do you remember I said you should use retinol for your nighttime routine alongside face cleanser and moisturizer? Yeah, you see, if you want to level up your glow game, consider adding a touch of retinol to your nightly routine. Retinol is like a fairy godmother of skincare. It can help smooth out fine lines, fade pesky dark spots, and even minimize the appearance of pores. Just make sure to follow the instructions and introduce it to your routine gradually so your skin doesn't throw a tantrum. If you have sensitive skin, there are many gentle skincare products out there that can work wonders without causing a full-blown rebellion on your face. Look for one labeled for sensitive skin or a gentle formula and let your skin breathe a sigh of relief. Always brush your teeth and use a tongue scraper. I know you're probably thinking, what's the big deal? I've been brushing since I was a toddler. Here's the catch. You need to channel your inner Picasso and turn brushing into an art form. Having yellow teeth and bad breath sucks, so grab that toothbrush and dance it around your mouth like a professional salsa dancer. If your tongue is like a cozy carpet that's been hosting a party for bacteria all night long, it's time to kick those party crashers out. Grab a tongue scraper and gently sweep away the aftermath. Not only will your breath be fresher than a peppermint field, but your taste buds will also do a happy dance. If you've got dry lips, swap your regular toothpaste for a fluoride-free one. It may sound bizarre, but trust me, it works like a charm. Just apply a tiny amount on your lips, let it sit for a minute, and then wipe it off. Your lips will be as smooth as a baby's skin. Scrub your lips. How would you feel if you have soft and supple lips, glistening like freshly glazed donuts? Sounds tempting, doesn't it? So grab the honey jar and a spoonful of sugar because you're about to scrub away those unattractive lip flakes like a pro. Mix a teaspoon of honey with a dash of sugar to create a lip smoothing concoction. Gently rub this mixture on your lips in circular motions, exfoliating away all the crustiness that's been holding you back. The sugar acts as a natural exfoliant while the honey works its magic by moisturizing and soothing your delicate pout. Once you've scrubbed away those crusty remnants, use your moisturizer or even a dollop of Vaseline, the same one you use on your skin. Slather it on your lips like you're preparing for a makeout session with hydration. Then you've achieved the ultimate glow-up for your lips, all thanks to the power of honey, sugar, and a little bit of self-care. Clean your eyebrows. You see, unruly brows can make you look perpetually surprised or give off a "what the heck is going on" vibe. Nobody wants that. Imagine your face is a painting. Without a proper frame, it's just a mess of colors. By simply shaping and cleaning up your brows, you can achieve an instant facelift without breaking a sweat. So invest in a good pair of tweezers, grab a magnifying mirror, if necessary, but don't get lost in your reflection, and embark on this eyebrows shaping and trimming journey. Trust me, once you've witnessed the magical transformation that clean brows can bring, you'll never look back. Maintain good hygiene. We all know that showers are like magical waterfalls of freshness, so make it a daily ritual. Trust me, your body and everyone around you will thank you for it. And while you're at it, lather up with some heavenly scented soap and scrub away all those unwanted visitors who overstayed their welcome on your skin. Apply deodorant diligently to all the nooks and crannies of your magnificent body, such as armpits. Think of it as your bodyguard against any unwanted odors that might try to ruin your fabulous glow-up. And use a cologne that suits your unique personality and style. It's like your signature scent, leaving a trail of charm and confidence wherever you go. Even if you're going out for just 10 minutes, always apply it so that you could be comfortable with your skin. Treat your hair nicely. Get yourself a haircut that suits you like a glove. You know, the kind that makes heads turn and jaws drop. Think Ryan Reynolds' dapper haircut or Zendaya's fierce pixie cut. Trust me, you'll look so fabulous even your shampoo bottle will be jealous. Now, onto the hair routine. Grooming is your new religion, my friends. Treat your locks like they're made of pure gold. Wash your hair once a week to keep it fresh and clean, and don't forget to condition. Find a heavenly conditioner that nourishes your hair and gives it that extra oomph. Who needs a halo when you've got fabulous hair, right? And here's a pro tip. Visit your hairstylist once a week to maintain that flawless mane. They'll trim those split ends and keep your hair looking as sharp and as well-groomed as a unicorn. All this will help you look healthy as you treat your hair with kindness like it's your precious little pet. Treat your facial hair. You got a beard that could rival the size of a tumbleweed. It's time to tame that beast. Try to shave it down once a week. Think of it as giving your face a fresh canvas to work with. If you're not part of the bearded brotherhood, shaving every day is your secret weapon to a glowing face. It's like exfoliating but without all the fancy creams and serums. Just make sure to ditch the razor and opt for a trusty clipper. Shaving can be a real chore, and to be honest, sometimes those razors are out for blood. That's where the mighty clipper comes in to save the day. It's like having your barber minus the chit-chat about your weekend plans. So whether you're proudly flaunting a beard or diligently keeping your face smooth as a baby's bottom, remember that your journey to a glow-up is a personal one. Take your time, experiment with different styles, and above all, enjoy the process. Go for workouts. If you've tried every trendy diet, miracle cream, and magical potion out there only to end up feeling like a wilted flower, a true glow-up lies in workouts. Hear me out. Working out doesn't mean you have to become a gym rat or spend hours sweating like a pig. No, I'm talking about finding an exercise routine that suits you, your lifestyle, and most importantly, your level of laziness. Well, it might be difficult in the beginning, but with time it becomes fun. After all, why would you torture yourself when you can have fun, right? Do you enjoy dancing, hiking, or maybe you have a secret passion for trampoline parks? Find something you genuinely enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Trust me, there's no better glow than one that comes from doing something that you love. So get up, save yourself from depression today, because no one will save you from your irritating and ugly skin. If you want to glow up ASAP, follow my steps and wait for quick results. No bullshit. Kindly click the like button if you liked the video, subscribe, and smash the notification bell for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.